bar down. I don't want to hear hit on the bar.
You already blacked my eye. That's as low as it's going.
I'll go ahead and put it aside.
I'll put it up.
Why are you breathing like that for you?
Because I'm out of shape. Out of shape?
Give you a neck massage.
Nebo.
Get those knees loosened up.
Nebo's hurt. Sucker. There she goes again. She's doing this. That's a Jersey Shore fist pump. Are you biting? Hey, we gotta go get Darren. Wrap this thing up, Ron. Come on. Pick her up.
Maybe it's this knee. Which knee?
Look at that face. She's not saying a word.
Is that knee?
Here you go.
Smile for the camera. Here, let me see the camera.
It's on camcorder.
Come on, Ron. Pick her up. I can't believe it's taking you this long. You're about to fall too, Ron.
That's gotta hurt.
Too bad.
What? He was.
Come back down here. Get a hold of you. Those arms need some relaxing.
Hell, we're at about 5 minutes.
We're both tired.
I'm gonna rub your ear if you start doing that. You don't rub your nose.
Paint your inner thigh. She don't like that shit. She'll let go. She'll let go of that fucking inner thigh. Pinch that inner thigh.
Inner.
Inner thigh. She'll let go. I promise you.
I don't want to hurt her.
No, just start pinching it. That's what I do to her. She'll let go. Oh shit!
Yeah, you got it, Ron. Come on. That was your move.
Why are you breathing so hard? You're just laying there.
We're at about 8 minutes.
She's got his leg though. He can get back up. You're down for the count too, aren't you?
We're getting ready to hurt her. She doesn't know it.
She's gonna be all banged up tomorrow.
She doesn't want that knee in her. Let go of that leg, didn't you?
What is that sound?
Let go of the knee. Let go of the leg.
No.
Come on. You've been hanging around Lampro too long.
She won't let go of her legs up.
You won't be able to breathe if I lean forward.
I don't care. I'd rather die.
You're not losing any kind of breathing there? Are you a little stubborn? All you gotta do is spend about 30 seconds in the dumpster. You want to? I'm just trying to get my foot up. You know, if I put that knee down, it's gonna hurt really bad. Dustin, hold her arms.
Come on, Garfield. You can't do it by yourself.
I don't want to hurt you. I'm about to break you in half. Dustin. Let's go. It's colder than the motherfucker. She's gonna get hurt. Oh, there you go. Better let go. Get a chance to get up.
Grab her leg. Put her
No,
ass.
Hey, she outlasted him.
around the dirt for 30 minutes. She's there top of the dumpster.
Got dirt in my ass crack. Where'd my damn ponytail holder go?
Oh,